this is the power cable for the Android screen, right? And here you can see on the back of the screen there's connector here, and you will see there's a connector on the power cable here. Just connect it. Okay, and here the power cable have male and female connector. The female connector is connected to the back of the radio head unit, and the male connector is connected to the power cable which you remove from the original head unit. Okay, I think many people know how to do it. And next, here you will see there's a audio out here. This connector is connected to the AUX port. Normally, the AUX is under the armrest box. But if your car have the AMI cable, you need to connect this like this and connect this to the AMI port in the car so that it can transfer the audio for the Android screen to Mercedes-Benz sound system. And here, the next, there's two USB cable. You can install the USB on the glass box. Okay, now I will introduce this cable. You can see it have a label NTG 4.5, and this one is NTG 4.0. Here you can also see there's two connectors like this, and there's one connector NTG 4.0 and NTG 4.5 here. So this cable actually is for two kinds of cars. One is for NTG 4.0 and the other one is NTG 4.5. Now here, now the cable is connecting to the NTG 4.0. This one connect to this. You can see here, just like this, and it short circuit the NTG 4.5. But if your car is NTG 4.5, you need to change it, just like this. Disconnect it and disconnect this cable. Okay, now I change to NTG 4.5, right? So I use this cable and connect to this one. Okay, then I need to short circuit for the NTG 4.0. There's two connectors. One is NTG 4.0. This one is NTG 4.0. So connect this cable. Then we'll be fine. Then I have changed it. Okay. Here, there's also a connector like this. Don't connect this unless it have the sound problems, such as one speaker without sound and the other one have the sound. Then use it. Most of the time, don't use it. No need to use it. Just keep like this. Okay. And here, there's cables for the speakers. Normally, just keep it like this. Don't connect it. Okay. Here, there's some cables. Real camera in here. If you install the backup camera, the video connect to this one. And the most important is that you need to connect the power for the backup camera here. Here you can see the camera 12. This is the power for the backup camera. Don't connect to the reverse line. You need to connect to this cable. So when you back the car, this cable have 12 offer the power to the back camera, so it works fine. Okay, thank you very much.